Hey everyone, Mr.V here live at our job site classroom. Want to give you a quick update on what's going on in our half bath cosmetic remodel. We've spent the last couple of days with our students online teaching them the finer art of estimating. And so we broke down the project into 12 different tasks. They were asked to estimate how many hours it was going to take me to get the job done. So I'll show you some of those numbers coming up, but I just want to show you inside real quick what we got going on and where we're going next. And so you can see we've been doing some prepping for our paint surface here. We've got a color choice that the client has made and painted some swatches over to see how the paint product was going to cover over this dark teal color, and it looks really good. This was a heavy single coat with a brush, but I don't see any holidays, and it looks like we got pretty good coverage, so I'm happy with that. Today we're going to talk about the window casings and how we remove these correctly so we don't tear up our wallboard, and then we're going to prep them for our new casings that we're going to be cutting, painting, and installing. We're going to be removing all of these old light switches and getting rid of that and going with a white Decora most likely. And so we're in that prep stage. Also down on the ground, I'll do a little tilt down. We've done some work on the flooring here. Another test swatch of a really interesting new product for floors. It's a slip resistant paint on floor paint. We bought it in this medium gray, and again, the test sample is proven out to work pretty good. So I'm excited to use that product, and I'll give you a little more review once we get it installed. We were going to be water sealing underneath our drywall here against the sill plate, creating a watertight seal before we put our rubberized baseboard cove mold 4 inches on here. That will be the finish for our floor. So stay tuned. We'll give you another update soon.